Main types of SEO. There are several types of SEO that can help websites rank better on search engine result pages. Here are the main types of SEO. On-page SEO, on-site SEO. This type of SEO includes optimizing the content and structure of a website to make it more search engine friendly. It involves optimizing the website's title tags, meta descriptions, headings, content, images, and URLs. Off-page SEO. This type of SEO involves building backlinks to a website from other websites. It includes techniques such as guest blogging, social media marketing, and influencer outreach. Technical SEO. This type of SEO involves optimizing the technical aspects of a website to make it more search engine friendly. It includes optimizing website speed, mobile friendliness, website architecture, and structured data. Local SEO. This type of SEO is important for businesses that want to target a local audience. It involves optimizing a website for local search results, such as Google My Business listings and local directories. Other types of SEO include e-commerce SEO, international SEO, content SEO, image SEO, voice search SEO, white hat SEO, and black hat SEO. Are you struggling to attract customers and increase your sales online? Introducing our web development and SEO services, designed to skyrocket your visibility and drive more traffic to your website. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. Our expert team of web developers and SEO specialists will work tirelessly to optimize your website, ensuring that it ranks higher in search engine results. With our cutting-edge strategies, we'll help you attract the right audience and turn them into loyal customers. Imagine the impact of having your website appear on the first page of Google search results. With increased visibility, you'll gain credibility and trust from potential customers, leading to higher conversion rates. Our tailored approach to web development ensures that your site not only looks aesthetically pleasing but also engages visitors, and encourages them to take action. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grow your business exponentially. Take advantage of our web development and SEO services today and increase your sales and profits like never before. Contact us now for a free consultation with our experts who will create a customized plan just for you.